Welcome to Trading Hub. Guys, today's video can completely change your trading journey. We are in December 2025, and now the real excitement begins, because 2026 is expected to be one of the biggest crypto breakout years ever. Whales are silently accumulating. Retail traders are confused. And exactly in moments like these, smart traders prepare for their biggest profits. Let's start. The market is extremely volatile right now. But remember, volatility at year-end always signals a massive New Year breakout. Right now, Bitcoin is in deep accumulation, altcoins are preparing for a new cycle, institutional entries are increasing, trading volume is rising, sentiment is neutral, and neutral equals explosive potential. All these signs tell us one thing: 2026 is not a normal year, it's a potential megacycle year. End of 2025 dips are not danger, they're opportunities. If you truly want to understand why 2026 is so important, listen carefully. Keycap won the halving cycle. 2026 equals peak year of the Bitcoin halving cycle. Historically, this is when the biggest pumps come. Keycap 2 institutional expansion. 2025 was building. 2026 will be expansion. Keycap 3 altcoins supercycle. AI coins, RWA projects, layer 2 networks. All will enter maturity in 2026. Keycap 4 market structure is perfect. Liquidity pools are built. Whales are loaded. Now they need one thing only: momentum in 2026. Keycap 5 utility hype. 2026 won't be hype-based. It's going to be adoption-based. Now let's discuss the hottest picks for 2026. Small Orange Diamond XRP. Regulatory clarity plus global utility equals explosive potential. Small Orange Diamond Ondo, king of real-world assets. 2026 will be RWA's biggest year. Small Orange Diamond Sway, ultra-fast chain, huge volume, heavy developer support. Small Orange Diamond Solana, one of the strongest ecosystems entering 2026. Small Orange Diamond Ethereum, the safest long-term bet. Institutions love ETH. White Medium Star bonus coins for 2026. AI coins, Chainlink, Arbitrum, Celestia. These are fundamental coins, not hype coins. 2026 will reward fundamentals. To win 2026 like a VIP trader, heavy checkmark 1. DCA until Q1. January, March 2026 equals best accumulation period. Heavy checkmark 2. 50-50 smart portfolio. 50% BTC plus ETH. 50% high-quality altcoins. Heavy checkmark 3. Stop loss plus patience. Quick profits destroy portfolios. Patience builds wealth. Heavy checkmark 4. Follow charts instead of hype. News misleads. Charts reveal intentions. Heavy checkmark 5. Avoid panic and FOMO. Emotional traders lose money. Disciplined traders build wealth. And now, if you want to start trading like a professional in 2026, the safest, fastest, and most trusted platform is Binance. My official Binance refer link is given below in the description. Right arrow, click my Binance link, right arrow, create your account, right arrow, you will get bonus rewards, right arrow, and you can follow me for daily market updates, VIP signals, and real-time analysis. Plus, AAP MUI directly Binance par message car socked ho for personal trading guidance. So guys, 2025 is ending. 2026 is starting. Now ask yourself, will you just watch others profit? Or will you take the next big opportunity? The choice is yours. The guidance is mine. This is Welcome to Trading Hub. See you in the next video. Stay smart, stay focused, and always trade responsibly.